Now let's talk about an interesting problem in computer vision, which is referred to as structure from motion. Here's the scenario. Let's say you want to recover the three-dimensional structure of this statue, this artifact. What you do is you simply pull out your phone and you capture a video of this sculpture by simply walking around it. So this is what we might refer to as a casual video or an uncontrolled video. What we mean by that is that the motion of the camera during the capture of the video is simply not known. All you have is the video. It turns out that from just this video, you can not only extract the three-dimensional structure of the scene, but also figure out how the camera moved through space. So this is the structure from motion problem. So we wish to develop a technique for computing the three-dimensional structure of a scene and figuring out how the camera moved from a sequence of frames or images, essentially a video. So first, we're going to start by setting up the structure from motion problem. We're going to see how one can formulate the problem and what are the parameters that we are actually looking to recover. And when we look at this problem, it turns out that the input to the structure from motion algorithm can be organized as a single matrix called the observation matrix. So essentially you have a video here and you track features through this video, and the image coordinates of these features can be rearranged into a matrix, and that matrix is called your observation matrix. That's all you have to go with. It is from this observation matrix that we want to recover the three-dimensional structure of the scene. Now, the interesting part about the observation matrix is that it can be shown to have certain properties that are very important. In particular, it has a very low rank. So we look at the ranks of matrices, the properties of ranks, and then figure out what the rank of the observation matrix in the structure from motion problem is. It turns out to be a very low rank. That allows us to construct a rank constraint, which we can then use to decompose the observation matrix into two matrices. One is the structure matrix, and the other is the motion matrix, which tells you how the camera moved during the capture of the video itself. This algorithm was initially developed by Tomasi and Kanade, and it's called the Tomasi-Kanade factorization algorithm. So we'll take a look at the Tomasi-Kanade factorization method in detail, and then we'll finish up with some results.